Hello, welcome to the Spoon for Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make the bamboo shoot stir fry with the chicken or ไก่ผัดหน่อไม้ Okay, first I'm going to pound the chili and garlic. I use the 4 cloves the garlic. Look more than 4 cloves because it have the small clove. And then 5 Thai chili. Okay, and then I'm going to pound the chili and garlic together. Okay, and then now our chili and garlic done. I'm going to move to the next step. Okay, I already have my wok ready, and I have the 2 tablespoons the cooking oil. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Hi. Okay, so I wait just a minute until our oil a little bit hot. I'm going to put the chili and garlic in there. Alright, put the chili and garlic. For the chili and garlic, if you like more spicy, you can add more. But this chili very spicy, that's why I use only 5. Same thing with the garlic. If too much for you, you can just put a little. And now I'm gonna fry the chili and garlic. Just a second, they already give you the good smell. So now I don't want the chili and garlic burn. I'm going to add chicken. I use the 1 pound chicken breast. Okay, I cut to the bite size. Alright. And now I'm gonna turn up the heat. Okay. Alright, let me remove the bowl and the pestle and mortar. Okay, now I'm going to stir chicken and garlic and chili. I'm going to stir them, cook them. Okay. This recipe very easy and very popular in Thailand too. Sometimes we use the red curry, but I use a lot of red curry recipe already in the last few episodes. So today I'm going to use just a fresh chili. So actually not fresh, the chili is frozen. Okay, now I'm gonna try to cook the chicken. Okay, and now our chicken almost done, almost cooked all the way through. So I'm going to add the bamboo shoots. I use 16-ounce bamboo shoots, the stainless like bamboo shoots. I buy in the can just like this. It's 8-ounce can. So this one I just buy from the grocery store. So 8-ounce can, right? And I clean them with the water 1 time to remove all the water from the can. So. Okay, now I'm going to add our seasoning. Okay, when I cook the bamboo and chicken about 2 minutes, and now I'm gonna add the seasoning. Alright, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon fish sauce. Okay, 1 tablespoon the fish sauce go in. Okay, and next gonna be the 1.5 tablespoon the Golden Mountain soy sauce. 1.5 tablespoon go in, and 1.5 tablespoon oyster sauce. Alright, oyster sauce little bit thick. Okay, so okay, going to use 1.5 tablespoon. Okay, oyster sauce, and balance all the salt in it with the half teaspoon sugar. Alright, and now I'm gonna mix everything well together. Okay, after I put all the seasoning, I stir them about 2 or 3 minutes. At this time, you can taste if you like more salty or a little bit more sweet. You can add this choice. Alright, so now our bamboo shoot and the chicken is already cooked. I'm going to add the bell pepper. I have cut them, slice them. I use a half bell pepper. Okay. Now I'm going to. Okay. Now I'm going to get in the good mix. Customer right there. learn how to cook already. Okay, and just about 30 seconds. As you see, now I'm going to add our last ingredient. Okay, our last ingredient is gonna be the Thai basil. I use a big handful Thai basil. I told you the last couple video I run out the Thai basil because they died from my backyard. But at this time, I get a lot from my friend. She's giving me a lot the Thai basil, so it's perfect for the recipe. Okay, give them the last mix and give them everything mixed well together, and that's it. Now we're done. I'm going to turn off the stove and we're ready to serve. Okay, here we go. Another recipe, very quick and easy, and believe me, this is gonna be another one of your favorite recipe. Okay, now I'm ready to try this. All right, I'm going to grab one piece of chicken, one bamboo. Okay, I want to make sure I have the basil. Okay, all right, and now just my bamboo shoot it, drop it. Okay, now can't wait. The basil really make everything taste really good. Okay, and this bite I have some bell pepper too. Oh my goodness. And some basil too. It's a bit of spicy, chili and garlic, and I say in the first bite already the basil. Oh my god, it makes it really good. Quick and easy recipe, under 30 minutes, perfect for your weekday. And like now the cameraman cannot wait to try this already. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and I will see you for the next recipe. Thank you.